I was looking for a graphical user interface for my future applications, and I found this library. It's called Maliang. You can just install Maliang, pip install Maliang, or you can install it with optional packages by running this command, pip install Maliang opt. And you can also install it with other extensions by pip install Maliang ext. There is also a demo repository associated with the library, so I cloned it to have this folder assets to be able to run two examples. The first one is demo 0, or called basic test. The second one is simple project. So this is the basic test example. You can see here, if I click on this switch button, it will change the theme from dark to light. You can see here the different buttons. Here are sliders. So you can also control the transparency of the window. Progress bars, checkbox, audio box, switch buttons. This is the font chooser. This is a color chooser. This is the other simple project also that I found in the demo repository. So it's simple looking page. You can see that you can use images for your background. Here you can see the test for the app. I wanted to know what are the widgets available and how to create the interface. So first, you create a TK window as you will do it with the Tkinter. So this is my TK window. You can set a title, a size, a position directly when creating the window. Here I'm setting the icon. The best way to do it is to create the icon calling photo image from Maliang with the file paths of the icon, and then call icon photo to create the icon. You can see if I run my code, you can see this is the icon. The icon also available in the assets folder. To create the Maliang widgets, you have to first create a Canva and then add all your widgets to that Canva. So I created here a Canva, packed it with calling pack simply. Here we can set the mode by importing theme for Maliang. So theme.setColorMode dark, we will have a dark window. If I set the color light, we will have a light mode. You can see automatically the widgets are in light mode. So this is a checkbox, a radio button, switch, slider, an input, 3 types of buttons, progress bar, label. This is the light mode. And you can also configure the system or the type of widget. If you want round widgets, as we've seen, you set the system to Windows 11. But if you want regular or standard one, you can set the system to Windows 10. You can see that the widgets are different. The buttons are no longer rounded. Even the progress bar, the slider is different, the checkbox also, the switch button is different, and the input also is different. Here I'm creating 3 types of buttons. The first one, just by calling button. So here the background color for normal state, for hover state, and for click state. The same here for the borders. Background color of the button in normal state is blue. When it's hover, it's yellow. When I click on it, it's orange. We have another type of button, an underline button. I specified only the position. Here is the button, it looks like a link. And the third one is an icon button. So I had to specify an icon. The icon, I used the photo image I've created earlier to set it as the icon. You can see that it's the same, and the text of the button. Here also I created a progress bar. So I recreated most of the parameters from the basic test example. So you can look at it to create your own widget. This is the animation applied on the progress bar. So if I move this is the progress bar. If I have my animation back. You can see the progress bar. We can specify also different colors. There is the slot color and for the borders and for the background. The same here for the foreground color or for the bar color. So this is the bar color, background and border, and this is the slot color, background and border. If you want an infinite animation, you can set it to -1. I prefer the widget in Windows 11. So this is the progress bar in Windows 11 system style. I created a slider by calling simply slider with the default value, a checkbox, audio box, switch, and input box instead of entry. This is the input box, the switch, the radio button, so audio box instead of audio button, and check box instead of check button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.